There you go, Tito. Here's another one. Love ya. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's so light. This is nice with the gold. Packaging is great. Pie, anyone? It's like you're at Burger King. Back to reality. Gosh, you guys, these are so nice. I'm all about a steal, honey. Yep. Got your little drain hole. Love. So that's 2. One more for the pot, the smaller pot. I love these. And not only do they not contain any harmful chemicals, they're cute, which is just a plus. So open to suggestions. What should I make with all of this?